All right. So guess what, people? We are learning about Chat AI today. Yeah, I'm really going to blow your minds. Go ahead and stay tuned. Come on. Yeah. So, as you guys can see on my screen, the coding world's been going a little crazy, and that's because this little Chat-Gpt AI that's really changing a game and not necessarily getting people nervous enough, but it's definitely something that could potentially bridge the gap of coding skills. So let's go ahead and check this out and see what I'm actually talking about. Now, this is Chat-Gpt. Now, this available at Chat. It's an OpenAI platform. It's a little AI bot that helps you code. Let me show you first. So, most programmers, they begin with hello world, right? They usually teach it, they build it into you, learn how to interpret it, you learn how to spit it out. With Chat-Gpt, we kind of skip a couple of steps. Let me show you what I mean. So let's say, okay, Chat-Gpt, let's go ahead and print hello world using Python. Watch this. Print hello world using Python. You can use the print function like this. So it's writing the code essentially for me. The running theory is that we're actually pulling this from Stack Overflow's database, but that remains to be seen. I don't think Stack Overflow would allow it. But hey, you never know. This is a beautiful thing about this. So, we want to print hello world. All you have to do is tell the Chat-GPT interpreter what you're really looking for. Now, this is for the people who are coming up is coding, looking for the Stack Overflow or whatever resources. This changes the game, doesn't it? So it prints print hello world, and even gives you explanations. Let's go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll provide feedback later. Okay, so when you run this code, it will output the string hello world on a new line in the terminal console. Here's an example how you might use this. And then it gives us the code and basically says, hey, print function, call the print function, hello world, blah, blah, blah. Now let's try it again. You can also use the print function to print out whatever the variable is. We know how the print functions work, right? So, I know what you're thinking. Okay, hello world is pretty easily. Well, let's say you want to build a search engine using Python, right? So let's go ahead and say, create a search recommendation system with Python. Let's see if it'll get it. Enter. Oh, there it is. To create a search recommendation system with Python, you will need to follow these general steps. Gather and clean the data, select and implement recommendation algorithm, evaluate and optimize your recommendation system, integrate your recommendation system into your application. I hope this helps. Now, this gives us a brief explanation, but let's see if we can actually create a search recommendation and get the code. So you got to learn how to query this like you learn how to query anything, like you learn how to query Google. So let's go create a search engine with Python. Let's try that. Oh no, see, it's giving us a general steps. I want us to get actually I should okay. So let's go ahead and cancel that. Can we do that already? Or Okay. No, that's not really what I was looking for. But this does help. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try to create Python program. Oh, I got it. You know what? I got a great idea. Create Python API. How about that? Am I getting the code or am I? Oh. Are we learning about the code? How do you stop this thing? Let's go ahead and stop this. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, there you go. You can stop this. Okay, I don't want to know the steps. I just wanted to, no. No, okay, so we're having a little funny issues. How about, create an API with Python. You need to follow these your site. Okay, let's go ahead and it's gonna be the same thing. No, let's start over. Let's reset the thread because this is how about this? Make case generate character. Yeah. Ah, there he goes. How do I make an HTTP request with JavaScript? XML HTTP request object door, and now here's the code. Here it is. But think about some of the most common things you do with your code. It's literally creating an HTML request right in front of our faces, right? Ooh. Okay. All right. And you see it right there. It will be a good thing to test it. That's what I'm gonna do with Python, so I can actually test it. But what did I just put? How to make a fast API in Python. Cool, 3.6, the standard, it's been on top. Okay, so this is great. This is exactly what I was talking about. API building. Initially, I was actually going to do a video on building an API really quick. But then this Chat-Gpt came up and I'm just like, holy crap, right? So just look at it. Look at it go, right? So it's essentially building a fast API, using UV Corn to build it, curling it by retrieving the local host information, and then it just places the ID as 123, right? Now let's really quick before I even get right into it. Okay, so fast API it's what the industries use to build APIs really quick in Python. That's essentially what this is saying. All right, so this is a basic API example for fast API. I was working on this for like a few weeks. I mean, it's not hard, but I was trying to do it. I just been so busy. This chat OpenAI API is going to change the game, not only for experienced coders and programmers and engineers like myself, because we won't need to just Google as much. We could pull this up and I just need a template of an API, copy and paste and start filling it out. But also beginner and entry level devs. This is going to be a thing for you that's well, it could be both good and bad. It can help you guys get into coding a lot faster, but it's also probably going to be eliminating some entry-level positions, because the chat API, or it is an API, but it's unfortunately that's the double-sided sword. For me, it's great. For a lot of you trying to break into the engineering and data science, I told you. I told you. This is this, you know, it's really not doing anything it's really just pulling information from resources that are already well known. In fact, you can even build your own, really. That might be a good project. So I just wanted to give you all an example of that. I appreciate it. But yeah, chat, this is what all the nerds, the engineering nerds are abuzz right now. So go ahead and figure it out. I may post a link in the description. And yeah, man. All right, everybody. I appreciate it. Now, as usual, this is the elevated engineer. Go take this technology. Go do something cool with it. Peace out.